Hello kids, I hope you all are enjoying revising alphabets with me. Yes, very good children. Now let's all revise letter M. You all know that this is letter M which says the sound M. It says the sound M. M, monkey. M, matchbox. And M, mango. Mom, isn't it? Yes, children. Mad. So many vocabulary words we can form with letter M. You know, this is capital M and it's a small m or a baby M. Now, it's time to trace these dots. For M, let's make one standing line, another slanting line. Bring it in down, then up, then again down with a standing line. Standing line, slanting line, bringing it up, slanting line, and now down with a standing line. It's so good, you know, forming a zigzag just like mountains. Isn't it, children? Yeah, when we join two mountains, it becomes letter M, isn't it? Similarly, for writing lowercase m, children, you have to make one standing line from the just a little down from the standing line. Make one curve, bring it down with the standing line. Then again, make a curve from the top of a standing line. Another curve and another curve with a standing line. This makes our letter M. This makes our letter M. This makes our letter M. I hope you all have traced these dotted lines and written in the box too. Coming to our next letter, that is letter N, which says no. N says no. No, nose. N says no, no, nose. No, napkin. No, napkin. No, nest. What is nest, children? Where the birds lay their eggs. No, nest and no, nutmeg. Now, let's join these dots to form letter N. One standing line with a standing line on the top of it, draw a slanting line. Now, from this down, take this standing line, take this slanting line to the top with a standing line, standing line, standing, slanting, standing. Now, coming to a lowercase n. Standing line, now make a curved line on the top and there it becomes letter N. Children, now letter O is very simple. You all know the sound of letter O. O says O as in olive, or orange, or ostrich. Remember these new words? Orange, olive and ostrich. For making letter O, just make a round circle or a C. Make a C and then close it with bringing it up. Join these dotted lines. You will learn. You will love it to make letter O. I am telling you, children. In the same way, you can make small o. Like this. Oh, this is so much fun to write these letters on the dotted lines and in their blocks. Children, I will see you in the next class. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye, goodbye. See you again in the next class.